Hey guys, Neil Waterhouse. Yeah, look, I'm a self-confessed numbers geek. I actually love getting there with numbers, especially with spreadsheets and crunching away numbers. I even have a spreadsheet for my model aircraft, my model planes. So when I fly them, I record how many times I fly them. Well, my wife thinks I'm pretty crazy for doing that, but yeah, each their own. And what I want to get to is I want to just show the power of just crunching some small numbers because a lot of people just don't realize, a lot of sellers don't realize what they've already got. And I'm talking about, you know, I'm just on the way back from doing presentations for the eBay Amazon groups around Australia. I spoke to a lot of small sellers, and they just don't realize how close they are to having six, seven, eight plus digit businesses. Now, you really only need to get excited about this one product. Now, let me explain. If you have, say, just one product that's making, say, $10 profit per sale, and it sells just say once a week. So it's a new product, and let's say it's a dropship product, it sells just once a week, and it makes just say, $10 profit per sale. Obviously, that's $40 per month, or to be exact, there's 4.3 weeks in a month. That's $433. Sorry, $43 um, uh, per month. Now, if you just take that one product and work out, okay, how did you get that product? You've researched it, you've found that product, you've listed that product. If you leverage your time, because this is the secret, is leveraging your time using virtual assistants that cost you $1 to $2, per hour. That's the way that you build your business up. That's how you get to your six, seven, eight digit businesses, by leveraging your time. And a lot of people think that it's all about, I've got to work harder, I've got to work harder. No, it's not about working harder. It's working smarter. It's just learn how to find just one product, get that product listed, get it optimized, get it sold, and then just leverage it out. Sit there, crunch the numbers. So, if you already have a business already, sit there and crunch those numbers. And, what if if you've got one product, you've got five products, 10, 100, whatever you got, work out, double it. Whatever you're doing now, double it. How much would you be making then? Then double it again, 2, 4, 8, and then start putting some zeros on and play with it. Yeah, that's what gets me excited, is just being able to leverage time and get excited about it. So it's not about working harder, it's literally working smarter. So that's all I got for you this week. Please scroll down, leave me a comment below. Until next week, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.